So here's a recap in terms of the last recent videos on Token Metrics TV. This is essentially the Netflix for TV for our customers. Premium content. We have 5 new episodes by Bill on the market update. That's Monday through Friday. I did a part one to helium staking. I know lots of our audience out there has helium, so the first video was me going through looking at different staking providers and doing research on them and telling you the ones I like. Then I'll do a follow up, a part two on helium staking, where I show which one I go with for staking my helium, my HNT token. Then first had a video on margin pressure levels, which is very, very popular. Then Jad had a video going through and showing the performance of our indices. We have 50 indices, and 98% of them did better than Bitcoin since, I believe, February, and 90% of them beat the market, meaning that 90% of our indices have done better than the market. So our team is working hard to make sure that we're helping our customers make money even during this downturn. Then we have 5 new projects from Forest and Hidden Gems. Then we have Dylan with Crypto Roundup talking about Jerome Powell and stablecoin regulations. Then we have a new show, kind of a new show, Bill with our chief quant Garage. They're now doing a show together. Bill, want to kind of talk about that, about Garage, or I guess your psychic now for Crypto Happy Hour?
Yes. So for Crypto Happy Hour, we are putting together 2 people that have deep legacy backgrounds. One of them in the qualitative, that's me with TA, and Garage with the quantitative. And in the legacy world, Friday night is like work, except you just have beer with it. So what we're doing is we're talking happy hour, but we're talking markets. And if you want to get an education and get some real foresight into what's going to happen next week, that's the show to tune in for.
All right. Thank you, Bill. That show is going to be very, very popular. And then for Crypto Hot Seat, Dylan has an interview with somebody from the Armor team. I believe one of the founders, I believe. So stay tuned, or rather go to TMTV to watch that video, because I know lots of you out there also invested or had an interest in Armor.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.